Siviri is a small fishing village found on the western coast of the Cassandra Peninsula. This inviting and tidy settlement has the form of an amphitheater. The waters of the Aegean Sea wash this quiet nook, surrounded by the pine forests. Beach is the main attraction of Siviri. The area of the settlement visually divided into two parts. If you stand facing the sea, on the right, you will see a wide beach. This place is mostly favored by travelers who are on holiday with children. The local sea is famous for its mildly sloping sandy entry with warm crystal pure waters. The infrastructure facilities include dressing cubicles, summer showers, and beach bars with umbrellas and sunbeds. When the weather is fine, on the opposite side of the bay, travelers can see the contours of powerful Olympus, the home for the ancient Greek gods. If you are a fan of hiking, then you will find it quite exciting to cope with a 10-kilometer path connecting Siviri and Scenic. The route is marvelous and makes travelers impressed with local scenes. The path runs through a pine forest with a scenic environment and terrific air. There are several hotels and beach bars on the way. You can relax and have some snacks there. There are also private beaches, where you can have a swim in the sea within total privacy. The left side of the beach is a less crowded area even in the height of the season. This is due to the rocky background and the shore here. However, this peculiarity should not stop you from having a swim. Just a few meters away, the sea has a smooth sandy bottom. The proximity of the pine forest supplements the air with extra freshness and makes it more useful for the health of vacationers. And the gorgeous scenery will fill your phone with pictures. The white cliffs against the bright green pines are extremely photogenic, and the small, private coves beckon for a swim. Where to stay? There are no large hotels in Siviri. At the same time, the settlement offers a diverse choice of pleasant and modern apartments and mini-hotels. Siviri's Golden Beach deserves particular attention. It provides clean rooms, a spacious on-site swimming pool, and an excellent location. What is great about this hotel is that you can bring your lovely pet for the holidays with you. There are also some beautiful villas for rent in the area. Consider a place called Alani, which is located nearby. If you like this region, you can find interesting options for villas and houses for rent there. View different options on the Actis Villas website. Use the search or submit a request for a selection to get the most interesting offers. Alani Beach is very beautiful, and if you want to come to Siviri, the way takes only 10 minutes by car. Or a 30-minute walk along a scenic trail. Useful info. If you wish to enjoy spectacular landscapes, the whisper of the warm sea, and renovation within the secluded area, then Siviri is the best choice. This region does not fit the fans of parties and vibrant nightlife. It is an ideal location for couples. The honeymooners often give their preference to Siviri due to the clean, warm water, amazing sunsets, and friendly people.